Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Daminola. Welcome again. You must have been seeing all these amazing AI images all over the social media, all over the grams, and I'm going to be showing you simple way you can generate yours without having to uh, pay for somebody to do that for you. So you're going to be using two applications for this. First, you're going to be using your chat TGP for your prompts, because one secret about getting amazing images is through your prompts. You must have an amazing prompt for you to generate this. So we're going to be using our chat GPT for prompt, and this website or the app that you're going to be using for the image generation as well. Aside that, I have two methods of which you can generate this image. I'm going to be showing one here, and in my next video I'm going to be showing another one. So what you do is go to your chat GPT. If you have an account already, you just go and generate um your prompt, and if you don't have, you have to register. Is that you register with your register afresh, or you just sign up with your email. And once you do that, just go there and describe what you want on the chat CGPT. And so before we continue, let me give you let me give you few seconds to you know subscribe. Click the subscribe button, and don't forget to give it thumbs up, and drop comments if you feel there's anything you want to relate with me. Drop your comments in the session. Thank you. Now, after creating your prompt, after generating your prompt from chat GPT, you just copy and then go to bing.com/image/create. Just go there directly, and then you just paste your prompt. This will come up, and you just paste your prompt, and you click on create. Now every day you have 15 chances to create. Like you can see this something like coin there, and it's showing 15, and meaning that you can only generate 15 images in a day. Now one prompt will give you about 4 images, so you can just select whatever, and you can just download whatever images you like from there. Like you just follow up with my prompt here, and you can see now what you type, your prompts, like I said earlier on, that is what is going to determine what the image will be. If you read my prompt well, you can see this is what it explained, and that is what it gives me. Although I'm still going to edit it, just give it a little bit edit, and you will see another thing that is going to give me. So your prompt is your key to generate that unique, amazing AI images. So with this prompt that I've generated from chat GPT, I'm only going to do some addition and subtraction from it to give me another images. Like this is the first one it gave me, and I'm not really well pleased about it. So I'm just going to edit it out a bit, just twist some things in the prompt, and let's see what is going to give me again. Imagine a custom naturalist shop with a welcoming atmosphere. The storefront is adorned with a large sign that read people showing in a bold friendly way. In the window, blah blah blah. And this is what it gives me: a lady sitting in the front of the shop, like what the prompts have explained. So I'm going to save this also, and I'm still going back to the same prompt. I'm going to edit it, and then let's see what it's going to give me. Remember, I told you whatever any prompt to generate is going to give you 4 images at a go, which you can choose anyone you want to save from it, or you can as well save all the 4 images and then generate another prompt, which I'm going to be doing here again. You can see I'm still editing the prompt to give me what I really want. I want all this, but to see that, to explain to you that your prompts really matters a lot in whatever image that you are generating, and the result, if your prompt is beautiful, you definitely get a very beautiful images, and if it's just too official, you are going to get same thing. So that is what I'm doing. This is the third time I'm editing this prompt, and let's see what the final, like, this is going to be the final one I'm doing for this video. So let's see what is going to give me. A natural approach showcased highlighting the organic ingredients and benefits inside the store. An elegant looking African lady sits officially wearing a green t-shirt. The Be Posh Body is written on it, smiling while she poses with two of the products. For that, you can see what it gave me. This is one. I love this so much. Like, you can see, um, this is how to generate AI image. You can use it for anything, for post, art, anything. And that is that. If you enjoyed this video, if you do, don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe, and share. Till my next video, stay blessed. Bye.